Hello, welcome back. In this video, I will talk about how to pin a folder to the text bar. So, for example, if you want to drag and pin the folder to the text bar, it won't work. What you can do is right-click the folder, and then you have a Show More option. Click that. And then we create a shortcut. Okay? So after you create a shortcut, where it is? Oh, here it is. So the shortcut we just create. Right click, then go to Properties, and here the targets. We add the targets. You can see the folder path. So we add Explorer space in front of the path. Okay? Then we click Apply. Now we can drag it to the text bar. It is a link. But the link is like a folder. The icon, we want to change it to the different icon so it will not same as the icon before. For example, if I close that, you see two icons similar. So now we need to do is we change the icon of the shortcut. Okay, so we go to Property again, and under Shortcuts there is a Change Icon option. Okay, so in this case I will select one of the icon and click Apply. Now we remove this one. Okay, and put a new shortcut here. You can see the icon is here. Okay, so that's the folder we pin to the text bar. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.